Hello guys, welcome to today's vlog. So we are going to talk about the don'ts. Okay, so I'm just gonna be talking about a brief don'ts in using shorts. Okay, so let's find out. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching our video for shorts. We're doing good and our subscriber is going up as well, and the engagement and the people around, or the people that subscribe and very active is very nice, I read all of your comments and it's nice. Thank you so much. Anyway, we'll go back to the topic of discussion today. What are the don'ts? Don't use, don't start shorts if you don't know this. All right, so let's start off with the video. You can use other people's video. It is allowed here in YouTube. There is, in the section of each video, there is a button. It says remix or download or clip. Okay, so it means that you can remix all those videos. But the thing here, there is a minimum of seconds that you can use only for each video. That will be 15 seconds. Okay, so in my channel, you guys, I don't do 15 seconds in just one straight shot of the clip. I don't do it. I do it staggered, depending on the topic or depending on the story, because we need to be more engaging in stories. So sometimes I would do a bit longer clip, but then in the totality of the shorts that I'm doing, it's only about 14 seconds. Okay, because in conversion to YouTube's platform, it turned to be 15 seconds. So I only use 14 seconds. But for that 14 seconds, I do a lot of overlays. All right, on top of that video. Here's what you're gonna do. Yeah, just do a lot of overlays, text, codes, whatever it is, effects. You have to do that in 14 seconds. And to be safe, if you are still like a beginner, you're still trying to learn how to edit, put some things on your shorts. I know, I understand that because I did that as well. I would say 4 seconds, do something about it, and then 4 seconds, do something about it, and another, let's say eight, then your remaining is 6. It's okay with 6 seconds. It's fine, it's still gonna be fine. But do a lot of overlays. Okay, so that will be for the video. And now we are going to talk about the music. Okay, this is very critical. I know some of you guys are doing my remixes using my audio. I don't know as far as copyright after a year, so I don't know how will the platform will take it. I don't know if they will be, or you will be, get a CPR on that. So I don't really know, you guys, in terms of music, so the audio. There are a few people that are using my audio. I'm glad, but as far as like you getting a copyright, I'm not very sure, you guys, because I think, uh, for my knowledge, I think it's about 2 years now that Shorts is trying to like implement some new policies. But in terms of like the music, I'm not very sure. Okay, but since they introduced remixes in this platform, maybe it's not gonna be an issue after a year. Because for me, you guys, doing shorts, it's been about, I think, about 2 years, 3 years, that I've observed that after a year there's an audit in your channel, and it will scrutinize all of your creations. So after a year there will be something going on. So that I am afraid of you guys if you're using my audio. I'm not very sure about that. So what I want you to remember is when you try to upload, you can use other people's you can use incognito in your app, and then check your video if it's in original sound. Okay, so if it's not in original sound, I'm not gonna be sure about that. And how many can you use in 1 year that YouTube is allowing you to use? So that is very vague for me. So that's why I'm encouraging you guys to create your own sound effects, sound mixing, sound something. Make sure it's in original sound. Okay? So that's it, you guys. These are just two topics that do not start shorts if you don't know this. Okay? So this will be video and music. So this is just it. But I will be talking about more again in the next coming days. All right, so this will be our video for today. I hope you learned something, and that's it. Thanks so much for watching.